Hey everybody, it's Andrew with Let's Park It, and Rise of the Resistance is now open and everyone's so excited, so we're going to give you the top tips to make sure that you guys get the best boarding group possible. With the new Rise of the Resistance open, everyone is so excited to get on it. We were able to go on it a couple times this weekend, and it is amazing. With that being said, we did find out some things about how to make sure that we got the best boarding group possible, and that's what we're going to share with you now. Number one, make sure that you are at the park at park opening. There's no need to be there before the 4 hours beforehand. Just make sure that you're there at park opening 20 minutes early inside Disney property, and you guys should be good to go. When you guys get into the park, make sure that all of your party members are already checked in and they are in your app. If they're not in your app, you're going to have to do it later, and that's going to slow you down even more. So just make sure everyone that you have is just in your app and good to go. Do not use Disney's Wi-Fi. Make sure that you are staying on your own cellular data service. It'll ensure that you have the fastest and best quality connection. On top of using your own data, make sure you're away from everybody else. If you're away from everybody else, then you're going to get the best cell phone signal and to ensure that you have the best connection. So go somewhere else, see what you have around, just get away from the massive crowds if you can to ensure that you have the best connection there is. And last but not least, this is probably the most important part. When you're in the app, when it becomes 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, when it's time to press that button, make sure you're on the main page that says find out more. Do not go into this and where you get into your Rise of the Resistance app. You want to be able to click the find out more button right at 8 or 9 a.m. or whenever the park opens in order to make sure that the app is refreshing properly and you're able to press that join boarding group button right away. With all these tips and tricks, you should get the best boarding group you can. Hopefully, I hope it's such an amazing ride. We've had such great luck with this system. We got 17 and 16 when we went, and my friend just did the system and used these tips and got 7 this morning. So you should be good to go, and I hope you guys get on Rise of Resistance. Make sure to comment, subscribe, let me know how it goes. Show me your boarding group. Tell me what boarding group you were. Other than that, guys, let's park it.